this video, you will learn how to make a starfish with our Starfish clay kit. Follow your instructions in your kit or follow this video. First, you will take your red clay and roll it in a ball between your hands. The yellow clay you're going to use later on, so keep it in your bag until you need it. This will prevent the clay from drying out. To start to make your starfish, you're going to flatten your ball of clay and make 5 indents in the side as you turn it as shown. You will continue to make the indents around your starfish. Each time flatten out your starfish. This will elongate the arms as you go. You can also use a flat surface to help you if you'd like. Keep indenting the arms and pinch each arm while gently pulling it out. Keep doing this until you have a starfish looking shape. Be patient with yourself, and if you make a mistake, you can always start over. Each starfish will look different as well, so don't worry if it looks different than mine. Once you have the starfish the way you'd like it and the arms long enough, you can take out your yellow clay and roll it into a ball. Once it's in a ball, roll it into a log and separate that log into 2 pieces. Roll each piece into a log and separate that piece into 2 pieces, so you have 4 pieces. Rolling them into logs helps you to see how to portion them out evenly, because in the end you're going to want 16 balls that are pretty close to even, with one being bigger than the rest. So you want to roll out each of your 4 pieces into a log so that you can evenly divide them into 4 pieces per log for a total of 16 pieces. The best way to make each piece into a ball is to take your finger and roll it on the palm of your hand as you see me doing. So once you have your 16 pieces, you're going to actually take the largest piece that you see and maybe even take a little more from another piece that looks a little big and add it to that piece. So you have one piece that is larger than the rest. That's going to be your center of your starfish. So set that one aside, and you can start by choosing 5 of the largest balls for your end pieces on your starfish. So start by placing each ball on each end of the arm of your starfish. Once you've placed a dot on each end of your starfish, you can continue by putting one more dot on each arm as you go around until each arm has 3 yellow dots. Once you've placed the 3 dots on each arm, take the larger piece and flatten it for the center part of your starfish. For a more realistic look, curve up each of the arms of the starfish. Try to keep it in that position as it's drying. Dry your starfish for about 24 hours. Here is another starfish that I have made earlier. It is already dry and it dries firm but still soft. It looks a little bit different and each starfish is unique, so expect each starfish to look